Introducing the full range of Record Power ProComfort turning tools, crafted for comfort, control and superior performance. Developed in collaboration with Sheffield Hallam University, the ProComfort handle is designed to reduce fatigue, providing greater comfort and control for all your wood-turning projects. Our UK-made ProComfort range has been carefully chosen to include the most useful and popular turning tools, a range of premium carbide tools, bowl gougers with both traditional and hybrid grinds, spindle roughing gougers, spindle gougers, skew chisels, a parting tool, a round-nosed scraper and a dovetail tool. Our ProComfort carbide tools offer durability and ease of use, with replaceable tips for extended performance. They feature heavy-duty 16mm diameter shafts and are ideal for roughing, finishing and intricate details. Available in the most popular and useful sizes, our bowl gougers, spindle roughing gougers and spindle gougers give you everything you need for the majority of bowl and spindle work. The bowl gougers are available in both traditional and hybrid grinds. For fantastic results when working between centres, our rolled edge skew chisels are incredibly versatile, ideal for achieving a silky smooth finish as well as creating beads, coves and other decorative elements. The ProComfort 1/8 inch parting tool is designed for parting off work from the lathe and can also be used for beads and patterns. A truly versatile tool. With its left-hand sweep, the round-nosed scraper is ideal for use on the insides of bowls and general smoothing work. And the dovetail tool helps you achieve the perfect spigot or recess angle to match the profile of the Record Power Chuck dovetail jaws. A built-in QR code provides instant access to sharpening guides, helping you maintain peak performance. All ProComfort turning tools are available individually, with packaging designed for easy selection and clear identification. Whether roughing, detailing, shaping or finishing, the Record Power ProComfort turning tool range offers everything you need for exceptional results. Experience the next level of wood turning with Record Power ProComfort. Designed for comfort, built for exceptional results.